There is a twist in this year's cold and flu season. Both have symptoms that can look like Ebola or Enterovirus. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez says that has emergency room doctors worried that they're going to get overwhelmed.
Emergency room doctors usually see a 10% increase in patients during cold and flu season. But this year, they're bracing for even more people who are worried their cold and flu symptoms could be something worse.
Due to the nature of what else is going on in the community and also in the world, especially with Ebola and Enterovirus.
The confusing part is that many of these viruses cause similar common symptoms, including muscle aches, fever, vomiting, and breathing issues. They mimic the flu. The fear is that emergency rooms will be flooded with people thinking they have Ebola. Highly unlikely, and it would divert medical care away from others who may need it more urgently. Doctors in the emergency department here at Lenox Hill Hospital say they're ready to make quick decisions to either monitor or quarantine patients.
We have all protocols in place to isolate people, whether it's a concern for flu or Ebola. We're always prepared.
Doctors say the first critical step is to get a good patient history, especially including any recent travel.
The kinds of diseases and the kinds of illnesses they could have are directly influenced by where they've been.
Health officials say there's no reason to panic. While flu and enterovirus are quite contagious, Ebola is actually hard to contract, requiring close contact with bodily fluids such as blood, vomit, or feces. But there is something you can do. Make sure you and your family get a flu vaccine as soon as possible to take that illness off the table and so emergency rooms don't get overwhelmed and overcrowded. Most health officials say they're actually much more concerned about a flu epidemic. In an average year, flu kills more than 20,000 Americans, and it is transmissible through the air. Ebola has killed one person in the U.S. and isn't easily spread. Get your flu shot. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.